Initially, the car was in a mess because of the impact from the trailer, but then now it's perfect and soon it is going to be ready. So I think this PalmTech is the best so far from what I've seen and from what we are about to see.
Anybody who chooses quality over quantity should think PalmTech. I actually had a bash on my car and I decided to stop by PalmTech to get it fixed, and I'm actually very impressed. So far the job has been excellent and it's mind-blowing. It's mind-blowing. I must just say, anybody who chooses quality over quantity should think PalmTech.
A few moments later.
All right, I'm Kingsley and this is Sophia, and I'm actually presenting my car to you guys today. This is a Dodge Charger 3.5 liter V6 engine, turbocharged, and it's actually very same kind that was used in the Fast and Furious heist.
Hold up, wait a minute.
The scene where you saw them going to the bank to steal from the vault. This is that baby right here, and once she's done, I'll be taking you on a bumpy ride. Yeah, it's a joy ride. It's actually the car of my dreams, yeah, because I choose power over every other thing, and this car is just a rare beast of nature. And I actually come to PalmTech for my maintenance and every other thing. So as you can see, I'm currently here for the body work, and so far I must say this is excellent work. It is rare work and it is excellent. The car actually had a little bash by the right hand side. I'd like you to please come with me. It was actually a bash from a Mack trailer, and here was actually written off. But as you can see now, it's been restored, and I must say this is awesome job, and it's top notch. Yes, you can hear that from my wife. She said it's top notch. So I would definitely recommend PalmTech to whosoever chooses quality over quantity, because this is excellence, brilliance. This is just wonderful. It's wonderful.
What do you make you cry?
If I come out, come look and see here, they know what show this place is. See, I go show now.
No.
I'm hungry. Except I go come another day, but now I don't hungry.
Maybe I'm a gangster too. Maybe I'm a gangster too.
It's been a great process with PalmTech, and I must say the job has been awesome so far, and it's simply awesome. Simply awesome. I love the job.
PalmTech Autoland. Extra care for your car. Extra mile for you.